Happy New Year, everyone. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Ruger 5.7. It does come in this big plastic case. It's nice and sturdy, and it is lockable so that you can travel with it if you choose to. Let's go ahead and get this opened up. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, a new toy. So there is your instruction manual, and there is a pistol itself right there. And then it does come with two mags, two 20-round mags. And of course, your lock. And there is the pistol that, of course, everybody wants to see. The Ruger 5.7. Then you have your safety, of course. And then these are your night sights. Beautiful sights. Also, quick comparison with the FN mags and the Ruger mags. The Ruger mags on your right here are actually made out of aluminum, and then the FN mags are made out of polymer. They're both 20-round mags, and they're not interchangeable, in case you're wondering. So there you go, guys. And of course, it's chambered in 5.7 by 28. Hope you liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Happy New Year, everyone.